Okay, children. Today's topic is finding HCF of the given numbers. As you know, the full form of HCF is highest common factor. So, HCF of the given numbers will be obtained mainly in two methods. Method 1, that is Euclid's division algorithm, or else Euclid's lemma. Method 2 is prime factorization method. HCF can be obtained in two methods, that are Euclid's lemma number 1, number 2 prime factorization method. So as of now I am taking one example. So I want to take two numbers, Nana, 72 and 108. For these two numbers I want to find HCF. First of all, let me explain method 1. Method 1 is Euclid's lemma. You know that Euclid's lemma means A is equal to BQ plus R, where 0 less than or equal to R less than B. In this, A is dividend, B is divisor, Q is quotient, and R is remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder equals to dividend. This is called Euclid's lemma, Nana, where the remainder value always lies between 0 and B, and remainder can be 0 also. So in the given two numbers 72 and 108, the big number is 108. So I am taking 108. Big number should be taken as A value. B value is 72. Okay, children? Here big number 108 is taken as B. Small number 72 is taken as, big number is A, small number is B. So I can write 108 as 72 into 1 plus 36, because 72 ones are 72 plus 36 is equal to 108. Now divisor becomes a dividend in the next step, and remainder will become next divisor. So I can write 72 as 36 into 2 plus 0. So 36 to the 72, 72 plus 0 is 72. So in this I got remainder 0. In A is equal to BQ plus R, R value we got 0. Whenever you got remainder 0, the last divisor will be called as HCF. So hence I can conclude that using Euclid's lemma, HCF of the numbers 72 and 108 is equal to 36. Next, I want to find the HCF of the same numbers using prime factorization method. So next method is what, Nana? Prime factorization method. That is method 2 I want to explain. So in this, first of all, let me take 72. You know, prime factorization means writing the given number as a product of powers of primes only. I repeat, prime factorization means writing the given number as a product of powers of primes. So 72 is divisible with 2. 236 are 72. Next 2 18s are 36. Next 2 9s are 18. Next 3 3s are 18. 3 3s are 9 it is. Okay children, 1 second. Therefore, I can write 72 as how many 2's are there in the prime factorization? 3 2's. So I can write it as 2 power 3. How many 3's are there? 2 3's are there. So 3 square it is. So just keep aside. I can write 72 as uh, next. Let me find 108. Prime factorization of 10 I want to find. For this 254s are 108, 227s are 54, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are. So I can write, so prime factorization is completed. When you want to find the HCF of the given numbers, you have to express the given numbers as a product of primes. Product of primes is factorization. So I can write 72 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Next 108 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now if you want to find the HCF, we have to find out, we have to circle the common factors. 2 is in 72, 2 is in 108. So I circled this. 2 is in 72 and 2 is in 108. I circled it. I cannot circle 2 here because 2 is present in 72 but not there in 108. So 3 is in 72 and 3 is also in 108. 3 is in 72 and 3 is also in 108. Then if we want to find the HCF is equal to the product of common factors. The HCF is equal to the product of common factors. What are the common factors, children? 2 2 3 3. That I can write in the next page. So HCF of 72 and 108 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which is nothing but 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 36 is the answer. And you can see the same answer we got using Euclid's lemma also. So this is the end of the problem, children. This way we can find the HCF of any given numbers using Euclid's lemma and as well as prime factorization method. When you want to find the HCF using prime factorization method, we have to express the given numbers as a product of primes. When you want to find the LCM of the numbers, you have to express the given numbers as product of powers of primes. Okay, children? Thank you.